Here we have a 2019 BMW M4 competition. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, and the blue M Sport brake calipers are just behind. We have the grey exterior paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, 2 gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the full carbon fibre M Performance kit. If we take a close look, you'll find the carbon fibre front splitter just down there. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the carbon fibre door mirrors. We have the carbon fibre side skirts as well. Colour-coded door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Here is a closer look at the carbon fibre mirrors. We also have the carbon fibre roof as well, just here, as you can see, just there. Carbon fibre just on the shark fin antennae as well. Carbon fibre on the rear spoiler, as you can see if we take a closer look. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the surround view cameras as well. Round to the rear you find the quad tip exhaust. We also have the carbon fibre rear diffuser as well. Back round to the driver's side you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, inside of here you'll find that we have the full leather interior, 2 seats at the front and also the 2 seats at the back as well. If we take a look at them, as you can see the fixed ISO points, the M Sport style seat belts as well, just with the red and blue stitching. Both of these front seats are heated and electrically adjustable. Driver's side has the memory function. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric windows and electric mirrors. We have the auto lights just there, the auto wipers. Multifunctional steering wheel, again with the M Sport stitching. We have the paddle shifters either side, cruise control and the speed limiter. We also have the dashboard just there and a heads-up display as well up top. We have the main infotainment screen. On there you find the lights of the sat-nav. We also have the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity and much more. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.